Let's start at the very beginning. Set and get, the two commands you will use more than any others in Redis. Redis is essentially a giant hash map living in memory. You store a value under a key with set and retrieve it with get. If the key does not exist, get quietly returns nil. Under the hood, Redis stores all keys in a hash table. Set hashes the key name, finds the slot, and writes the value, overwriting whatever was there. Get does the same lookup in constant time, or returns nil when the slot is empty. Watch what happens when we set color to blue, then overwrite it with red. The second set silently wins. And get on a key that was never set comes back nil, not an exception. When reviewing a PR, look for 4 things. A blind set that races with other writers, a nil result that is never checked, a missing TTL that leaks memory, and a get-then-set pair that is not atomic. Remember, set is destructive by default, get can return nil, always set a TTL on cache keys, and if you need conditional logic, keep it atomic with set an X or a Lua script.